Hello guys, so this is parajumbles set 2. Let's look at this question. Sentence A says the two neighbors never fought with each other. Use of definite article the tells us that sentence A talks about some specific subject. These two neighbors being talked about must have been introduced or mentioned in a previous sentence. Must have been introduced in a previous sentence. Sentence B says fights involving three male fiddler crabs have been recorded, but the status of the participants was unknown. Okay. Sentence B does not help much for now. Sentence C, they pushed or grappled only with the intruder. All right, all right, all right. Now this is an important sentence. First, the previous sentence should talk about the subject of this they. Who's the subject of they? Possibly these two neighbors. Also, if you look at the content of this sentence, they pushed or grappled only with the intruder. It matches with this idea the two neighbors never fought with each other. They pushed or grappled only with the intruder. So they were not fighting among themselves. They were only fighting someone who intruded their colony. This only is a strong grammatical marker which matches with or which is coherent with this another grammar sign, grammar signal. Never. So we have the departure point AC, a concrete pair. Sentence D now says we recorded 17 cases in which a resident that was fighting an intruder was joined by an immediate neighbor and ally. All right. So this sentence has introduced a neighbor joining another, a team of two neighbors fighting an intruder. Now, since this sentence has introduced two neighbors fighting as a team, and sentence A, we worked it out. Sentence A referred to the two neighbors. This sentence must be talking about the same two neighbors which have been introduced here in D, which means D should precede A. I'm not saying D and A form a concrete pair. I'm not saying D and A should come together. But one thing is we can be certain about one thing. D should precede A. It cannot come after A because A uses the definite article the. This is important here. What next? We therefore tracked an important marker, a very important marker here. We therefore tracked. Now, therefore talks about effect or the action taken. Therefore, the previous sentence should talk about the cause, the trigger, the reason behind this action. Only then will this make sense. We therefore track 268 intruder males. Now, why did the authors track 268 intruder males? No, they must be looking for something. They must be looking for some hints or their behavioral pattern, something like that. Do we have such a sentence? Yes, we do. Sentence B says, fights involving three male fiddler crabs have been recorded. So the scholars are aware of such fights, but the status of the participants was unknown. And that is why, therefore, we tracked 268 intruder males until we saw them fighting a resident male. So this was the cause that prompted the narrators into this action. This was the cause, this was the effect. Therefore, connects the two sentences. So we have another mandatory pair, BE. Our job now reduces to arranging these two sequences, BE and D space AC. We don't know the arrangement of this sequence BE. BE has three possible positions. It can come here, it can come here, it can come here. Now, please note, B and E introduce a study. If you read them carefully, they introduce a study, while the other sentences D, A, and C report the findings of the study. B and E tell us that the scholars, the narrator of this passage, the narrator of this whole text, conducted a study, and DAC report the findings of that study. Obviously, therefore, BE should take this position. They should come, these two sentences should come before D, A, and C. First you introduce the study, then only then you will report the findings of the study, right? So we have arrived at the correct sequence. Our final answer, B, E, D, A, C. This is the correct sequence. Hope you got it right. Keep practicing more. Keep watching. VM signing off. Cheers to learning.